I want to show you a couple of ways the AIRT add-in for Excel can help you manage your work within Excel. So when closing file, if you click the close and schedule menu option within the AIRT ribbon, you've got a couple of options to either pick a date in the future when you want the file to open as soon as Excel starts, or you can schedule a calendar event in Outlook to actually block out some time when you want to come back and work on the file. So for example, if we do this for 9 AM on the 17th for an hour and click OK, the file will close. If you need to save it, it'll give you the option to save it, but it will create the calendar event on the 17th, 9 AM. So within that calendar event, you can see there's a link to immediately open the file in Excel. The other option when you click close and schedule is to simply schedule when the file will open. So if we pick this time the 17th, again there's an option for the file to save as normal if required. So if we close Excel and then reopen on the 17th, so when we start Excel, this file and any other ones that we've had scheduled will open immediately. Okay, thanks for watching.